Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Firstly, I want to thank each and everyone who has supported us in reaching our first milestone of 1K subscribers. Many thanks for being part of our journey. We are sure to make good content, so kindly keep supporting us. That really means a lot. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Getting into today's recipe, it is a quick, healthy and tasty smoothie featuring kiwis and pineapples that you can have as part of a wholesome breakfast or as a refreshing drink to satisfy your mid-afternoon food cravings. There's nothing more guiltlessly fulfilling than a freshly blended concoction of your favorite fruits and nuts that's deliciously creamy and packed to the brim with the nutrients that the body yearns for. So ditch that junk food and switch to healthy options like this smoothie that's quick, requires minimal ingredients yet doesn't fail to excite your taste buds. I'm using 3 kiwis and 1/3 of a pineapple here. I've washed them, now trying to peel and scrape out the pulp using a spoon. A recent study shows that eating the skin triples the fiber intake compared to merely eating the flesh. And by not peeling the skin, you preserve much of the vitamin C content as well. Make sure to use organic ones and wash them thoroughly if you wish to consume the skin. Loaded with vitamin C, kiwi has potent antioxidant properties which help boost immune system function. I'm working on the pineapples now, chopping up the skin and dividing them into chunks. This tropical fruit is fat-free and low in sodium. They contain high amounts of vitamin B that is involved in energy production. It's interesting to know, despite their sweetness, both these fruits are low in calories, so great foods if you're looking to drop excess pounds. Nothing wrong in terming them superfoods, as they both are wonderful immunity boosters that we all need the most at this point of time. It's blending time. Into a mixie jar, add in kiwis. Then goes in pineapples, yogurt, which is a source of protein. Nuts and seeds provide heart-healthy fat and are rich in proteins too. So go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of almond flour or ground almonds. Next in queue are ground flax seeds known as flax meal. It's a source of omega-3 fat and they add that extra protein and fiber to this refreshing drink. 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness. They are a better alternative for table sugar. You can totally skip honey if you feel your fruits are sweet enough, or you can add a banana instead. Now blend until smooth. If you feel the smoothie is a little thick and needs more liquid, you can very well add almond or soy milk to it. If you like it chilled on top of with ice cubes while blending, well, I don't use ice. Your healthy, creamy and fruity smoothie is ready in no time. Yum yum! Try out this delightful smoothie. This lip-smacking beverage is an instant hit among people of all age groups.
Hope you liked this episode. Give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and most of all, please subscribe to my channel. May the Almighty keep us all safe and give us the strength to overcome this global pandemic soon. Stay healthy, stay home, save lives.